Welcome to the channel on the surf. Here is the family, Sandra, Hector and Jack. My name is Jimmy and we are the family that lives on the surf. So yeah, on today's to-do list we are gonna make a mount for this. That's basically a dovetail like that to fit this on, and we're gonna mount that to the swimming platform so I can use this both in the front and in the aft. And yeah, I know you can buy them, but one, they are really expensive. The one that's in the size that I have, the cheapest one I found online directly from China was about 400, and yeah, that's more than I want to spend on that. So what I'm gonna use to make that mount is a piece of stainless steel what do you call it? Flat bar. This is a roll of hose clamps, so a couple of small pieces of this combined with that and some fiberglass. So I'm gonna make one for, I don't know, 20 bucks or something. Really cheap, basically free. I already have that laying around. It's just some scrap pieces from the workshop. So I'm gonna use that and some fiberglass. So let's get to it. Yeah, prep the mold. Those of you who have followed me for a while, you have seen me use this aluminum tape a lot. That's because polyester doesn't stick to it. We're not going to do it like that. We're going to take this away. Mask off the parts that you don't want it to stick to, and it will even add a small tiny gap between, and that's good because this one is in fiberglass, this one is aluminium, and those most likely will expand differently. And since I don't want the glass to stick on it, I will apply some wax. This is just normal car wax. Let that dry and then get on to the next step. So now the wax has cured. I've just added a piece of stainless steel flat bar that I have been laying around. So now it's just to mix up this. Apply a little bit. and I've cut some small strips of an old what do you call it? Hose clamp in stainless. Straighten it out. Now just to fill it up. So now it's just to let that cure, and yeah, normally I don't mix on this, can only do that once, but since this bucket is empty now, or at least about empty, then it shouldn't be any. And yeah, since it's empty anyway, or at least about empty, I can sacrifice it. So yeah, now it's just to let that cure. Then we will sand it flat and we are good to go. Yeah, so now it's been about half an hour. So now at least it's some kind of semi-cure. So let's see if we can break this mold. And if you can, remove this tape, because if you leave it on for a long time, it's really hard to get it away. Ta-da! So now it's just to let this cure totally, then we will sand it and trim it down and so on. Yeah, so now it's just to sand it out, make it look nice. Standard. I'm using a 40 grit flat disc. So let's just get grinding. now it's just to go in, drill 2 holes, slap some paint on it, and we're done. Take a bigger drill so we can countersink one of them. So, there we have it. And as you can see, I made it at an angle since the thing we are gonna mount it on are leaning like that. So when this gets applied on, hopefully it's straight. Slides on good and nice. And as you can see, I countersunk one. That means that this bolt, the head is flat. The second one ain't, so that one's gonna act as a stop. Ta-da! So yeah, now it's just to add some paint, then it's done. So yeah, there you have it. Now just let it dry. And then we will head out to the boat and mount it.